pause for a second while I finish that off. Okay, so all I did was go through and delete all those rows. It's time consuming and a pain, but unfortunately that is the only way to do it right now. Then I'm just going to take all these values and copy them. And get them selected. Go. Copy those guys. Come over to my other sheet and paste them. And then you have to make sure all the districts line up. There's some extra ones sometimes, like here's Guam is an extra one. Just highlight that and delete it. Shift those cells up. Just go through and make sure everything lines up. Puerto Rico is extra there. Great, everything lines up. Now I can delete this extra set of states. Now we've got state, cardiovascular disease, and we've got our percent with all teeth. Now I did actually make a mistake here. You want to have your dependent variable second, so I'm actually going to put this over here. So now we've got the percentage with all teeth versus the cardiovascular disease. And then finally, you just want to highlight all of these values and insert a scatter plot. And this is cardiovascular disease. Rate versus percent with all teeth. You want to have a more descriptive title than I have there. I'm just doing that as an example. But you can see here we have a pretty good negative correlation. As the percentage of adults with all of their teeth goes up, the cardiovascular disease rate actually goes down. So that is actually a pretty solid negative correlation there. So you want to think about how you'd actually phrase that in the sentence and then talk about the limitations. And that is how you would do your own correlational study.